Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how you can use character AI to clone your own voice. In order to do so, here we are at character.ai, and what we're looking for can be found up at the top left-hand corner. We're going to go ahead and click, hover over create, and then we're going to select character. And then from here, we're going to hit create. And now we can create a character voice. We can agree and continue. And here we can upload a sound. So we can click or drag to upload an audio file. For best results, upload a clear 10 to 15 second audio clip and avoid background noise. And that is how you can create your voice. You can clone your voice in character AI. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Cintra. Cintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights. Check out our YouTube playlist on Cintra. It will tell you everything you need to know to get started. Finally, check out Simply Financial. If you're looking for an online bank, click on the link in the link tree and you can get $50 to open an account and $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank and personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.